So, today's our topic is why people get trapped in the crypto market. Sarah, a 28-year-old software engineer in San Francisco, was exhausted. While she grinded out 60-hour work weeks just to afford her cramped Bay Area apartment, everyone around her seemed to be getting rich overnight. Her barista, her Uber driver, and the tech bros in her company's Slack channel were all obsessing over one thing: Zenith Coin. It was the latest decentralized crypto token, and the hype was deafening. "It's the next Bitcoin," the Discord servers promised. "We're going to the moon." Over just 3 weeks, Zenith Coin had skyrocketed by a staggering 1,000%. She felt the sickening, heavy weight of FOMO, fear of missing out. She had spent 5 grueling years meticulously saving $150,000 in a high-yield savings account, her hard-earned down payment for a modest suburban home. But, staring at the skyrocketing green charts on her phone, logic slipped away. "Just 1 month," she rationalized to herself. "I'll double it, pull out my initial investment, and finally escape this apartment." With trembling fingers, she bypassed her traditional brokerage, linked her bank account to a sketchy decentralized exchange, and YOLO'd her entire life savings into Zenith Coin. For the next 72 hours, she was euphoric. Her digital wallet swelled to $300,000. She spent her lunch breaks browsing expensive Zillow listings in Palo Alto, already tasting the financial freedom she had always craved. Then came Thursday night. At 2:14 a.m., her phone buzzed with an urgent push notification from a crypto tracking app. Sarah squinted at the glaring screen in the pitch black of her bedroom. The line graph, which had been climbing steadily like a mountain peak, suddenly dropped into a terrifying vertical red cliff. Zenith Coin price, 0.0001. Panic clawed at her throat. She sprang out of bed, her hands shaking so badly she could barely flip open her MacBook. She furiously refreshed the exchange. Her balance read $1.42. She frantically clicked the bookmark for Zenith Coin's official website. Error 404, page not found. She scrambled to their Twitter page, her breathing shallow and fast. Account deleted. It was a textbook rug pull. The anonymous developers had aggressively hyped the token, waited for the liquidity pool to fill with millions of real dollars from desperate retail investors like Sarah, and then yanked the smart contract, vanishing into the dark web with everyone's cash. Sarah sat paralyzed in the cold blue glow of her laptop screen. Her dream home, her 5 years of sacrifices, her entire safety net, evaporated into a string of worthless code. So today's message is: never invest out of FOMO. Unknown or heavily hyped assets with zero fundamental value are just a bubble waiting to burst. Always follow the do-your-own research, DYOR rule, and only invest money that you can afford to lose.